So his name is Marvin Engelbrecht. Crazy ass nigga. He goes and he says, it's me, because Marvin Engelbrecht. Yo, CPT and the world. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. It's your boy Oasis, and we have another dope artist in the studio with us. His name is Marvin Engelbrecht. That's his government name, and we're gonna find out more about him. So, Mr. Engelbrecht, bro, because
yes,
now
sir.
I can call you by your surname like a Like, why do you decide to keep your original name?
Original name because I want to be me. You see?
Alright.
And lots of people go by aliases. So with the alias, you gotta build this whole story behind it. You see? Not that it's a bad thing, but for me, the story behind the alias I had didn't work out how I wanted to work out. So I thought, best thing I can do is be me.
Just be you, yeah. Marvin Engelbrecht. I really like that. It's very nice. Marvin Engelbrecht, it's me. It's me. Bro. Now, I like that you kept to the region and you kept it to where it came from, the ground roots.
Yeah.
So then, how long have you then been in the music? Like, seeing that you're doing it for like yourself and you've been doing it with your own name. How long have you been in the music career?
Well, I've been in since about 2006. That's when I like started. And and I've been going since then. And I've been, a lot of music since then. A lot of ups and downs, but yeah.
You had your trials and your tribulations and you came through the gutters. Nah, I feel you, bro. You have to go through the trenches before you get to the top of the peak, You have to fight your battles and you have to get to those places to get it in there. So now, who inspires you, bro? Like, as an artist, like, who inspires you?
Tupac. His whole legacy, everything he stood by, everything his music today is still relevant. And that's like 20 years ago. The things he's saying now still is better than what people are dropping off now. So that's been my core, But over the years, I've met a lot of people. I've got inspired by them. Like right now, it's J. Cole, Kendrick Lamar, all those type of rappers. Those are the inner rappers now. But main man, Tupac.
You believe in his legacy?
Then to me, that I have to believe that man was still alive.
Nah, you still believe he's alive? Oh, Tupac's in Cuba, guys. You also believe Tupac's in Cuba. That's not bad. Bro, I can't say and I can't deny the fact that he's alive or not alive since then. But I know his music is relevant, bro.
Yeah.
He says things that he said that time that people will trip on today and be like, yo, shit, I just went through that now the other day. And it's now 2019.
Through that, bro.
So he speaks from a viewpoint that will never die, bro. And that's why his music keeps going.
That's why his music still lives on, bro.
So now, do you think you can become a Tupac in Cape Town? Maybe leave your legacy like that?
Definitely. And it's all about belief, you see. So I have faith in myself. I know that. So I believe I am the greatest rapper. People will say, no, you're not. But who you to tell me different, you see. I believe I'm the greatest rapper and in Cape Town, and that's what I'm going to do in my music. Just going to give you great music. It's up to you to decide if I'm not or if I am, but I know I am the greatest rapper.
So you stick by your opinion, you live by your codes, you believe in yourself. Belief is going to get you there because sooner or later everyone's going to believe, and then when they believe,
true that,
then
bro.
you become a code.
Yeah.
Then you become a code Sinze. If they believe, then you must be a code Sinze.
Yeah, true that. And there's a thin line between believing yourself and having an ego, you see.
Yeah.
So
I was going to get to that now, yeah.
I've been on the ego side, hence with my alias, you see. So I've learned a lot from having an ego, to killing the ego, and having faith in myself. You see, so hating eyes will see it in a different way, but I turn those hating eyes into loving eyes, you see.
Bro. But you do know hate is the new love, bro. Because everyone wants to hate on you today. If you don't have haters, then that doesn't matter, bro. You need haters.
But
where's all the haters at? If you don't like the show, I love you. That's what I love you. I love you. If you hate this show,
I love you.
I love you. Nah, bro. So where have you been dropping? Like, where's your music been on?
Right now, I've been only dropping it on a Reverb Nation. It's Marvin Engelbrecht, the rapper. It's a long thing to type in, but it's worth all the music. There's a lot of music. About like 3 years ago, I dropped a 20-track mixtape called Poetry Corner. There's a few loose songs on there, but yeah, Poetry Corner, you should listen to that. That's
I'm definitely gonna listen to it, but don't worry. I'll make sure you listen to it. Sinze. Poetry Corner, I'm gonna go listen to it. I'm gonna try on my feed, follow Steezingwithoasis. and then I will drop it on my feed so you can go follow this nigga's stuff since then. And then we can do crazy shit and make
True that.
crazy videos. Because I heard a few of the tracks you were playing when you came to the studio, bro. It was very organic. It was like, shit, I'm talking about where I'm from. So yeah, you talk about experience, bro.
Yeah, I talk about sorry to interrupt.
No, bro.
I talk about everyday life. So everything I go through, if there's a robbery happening in front of me, I'm going to give you the story from that person's view of getting robbed or whatever the case may be, because I've seen a lot of things in front of my window, my corner, and people that knows where I stay, they know that corner. There's a lot of things right now. That corner is broken because there was an accident about a week ago, and it's like the accident corner. So I give you the real thing. I'm not going to talk about things I don't have.
Okay.
Because why lie?
Why lie? Nah, it's also the thing. You didn't have to put a persona. You said it from the beginning. You're not going to put on a persona for anyone else. You're going to give it to us as it comes, bro. Now, so if you're going to perform a track today, bro, what track are you going to perform us?
I'm going to perform one of my new tracks. I feature Malky 021. It's called On a Mission. It's produced by Aiden Weingart. It's a very old beat, but ironically, it was inspired by Biggie. You know, one of his, I was like, we on a Biggie feel, so...
you had your time, you were like, oh, am I Biggie? Am I Pug? Am I Biggie? Am I Pug?
You know, just the vibe.
Now you decided Pug you was.
Yeah, he's on this, so I'm just going to rap my verse, you know, give them a taste. And yeah, if they want to listen to more, they know where to find my music on Reverb Nation, Marvin Engelbrecht, the rapper. So we'll take it from there, yeah. I can't wait for the booth. I'm not gonna lie, I am super excited for the booth, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
Definitely, bro, because now I'm most excited. I want to see what he's gonna do. I want to see if this nigga's gonna be killing it since then. So, bro, I'm gonna let you kill it now.
Shut, bro. Can't wait.
I'm ready for it, bro.
R.I.P. to that booth, though.
He's getting ready. I'm gonna get ready to watch the show from now. Yes, you get your boy. We out.
It's me. On a mission with my mind set for the top. Not even if you press that brakes, could I stop, stand still for a moment and bob your head. Still I pour out liquor for the homies that are dead. I can't sing, so I have to rap better than great. I got Kensington bars that's gonna leave you in a state like when David beat Goliath. Victory over people who are the slyest. Bought the yellow wings just to say I'm the flyest. Bought a cars just to say I'm the highest. Only ripping my hood, you could say I'm biased. A block away, homies with a Glock pray. Pickpocket all day, pick your locks where you stay. Gunshot, shot, either run away or pray. Many are born as men, but not everyone is a man. Don't call yourself a leader, even a dumb man ruled this land. I started to write more than a pen with unlimited ink. My verses are hard, like when you try to make up a lie on the spot, but you can't think. What? You thought I'm doing this for specs and boonsies? I could give a fuck about your drukkies and soonsies. On a mission with Malcolm, we're taking the city to the top. That's the only outcome.
I'm on a mission with Marv, letting you know who we are. Homie, just rack up that bomb. Let's take them straight to the stars. Hey.